Welcome to Best Choice. The best device cleaning wipes is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for anyone who relies on their gadgets daily, from smartphones and tablets to laptops and smartwatches. In a world where our devices are constantly exposed to fingerprints, smudges, dust, and even germs, maintaining their cleanliness is not just about aesthetics, it's about ensuring optimal performance, longevity, and hygiene. These specialized wipes are designed to tackle these challenges effectively without causing damage to sensitive screens or components, making them an indispensable tool for keeping our digital companions in pristine condition. Number 5. MagicFiber Microfiber Cleaning Cloth. Introducing the MagicFiber Microfiber Cleaning Cloth, your ultimate solution for a spotless clean. This premium cloth is designed to tackle dust, oil, and smudges on all your delicate surfaces. Experience a perfect, scratch-free finish. It effectively removes fingerprints and dirt without leaving any lint or streaks behind, ensuring clarity for your glasses and screens. From eyeglasses and camera lenses to phone and TV screens, this cloth is your go-to for any cleaning need. Its versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of electronic devices and glass surfaces. Each cloth comes individually sealed in its own poly bag. This ensures that every piece is fresh and ready to use whenever you need it, maintaining its premium quality. Crafted with the utmost care, it's safe for all your sensitive electronics. Use it on LCDs, laptops, tablets, car displays, mirrors, and more without worry. Achieve magical results on the items you cherish most. Trust MagicFiber for a superior clean that protects and enhances your valuable possessions. What we like. This product is made from the highest quality microfiber, ensuring a scratch-free and lint-free clean. If you need a reliable cloth for a variety of delicate surfaces, from glasses to screens and more, this is a great choice. It's designed for those who want a magical result on the items they care about most. What people say. The fabric feels soft but strong, and they do a great job cleaning without leaving lint or scratches. They absorb well and leave surfaces streak-free. These appear to have a very good quality, they are ultra-soft in texture, and just the right size for versatile uses, cleaning glasses, computer or phone screens, or for the reason I bought these, 4K HD DVDs that are cleaned right out of the wrapper when new, and kept very clean to mitigate any red errors. Number 4. Koala Eyeglass Lens Cleaner Spray Kit. Tired of smudges and streaks? Achieve crystal clear vision with our powerful yet gentle cleaning solution. Our alcohol-free formula is safe for all your delicate lenses, including eyeglasses, screens, and camera optics. It effectively removes dirt and grime without causing damage. Included are 2 premium microfiber cloths designed to polish your lenses to a streak-free shine. They are soft, durable, and perfect for everyday use. This convenient 4-piece set includes 2 bottles of our effective cleaner and 2 microfiber cloths. It's everything you need for pristine optics on the go. Experience the quality and reliability of a product proudly made in the USA. Trust it to keep your valuable lenses looking their best. What we like. This kit offers an alcohol-free cleaning solution, perfect for those with sensitive screens or who prefer natural ingredients. If you are looking for a complete set that includes both a gentle spray and effective microfiber cloths for your eyeglasses, screens, and cameras, this is an excellent option. It's ideal for maintaining your optics and electronics with care. What people say. No smudge, just clear glasses. You can feel the spongy difference in the cloths. They are true microfiber cloths. This kit is phenomenal in every way. It includes 2 spray bottles and 2 ultra-soft microfiber cloths, and everything about it screams quality. The cleaner itself is alcohol-free, which is a huge plus for me. I wear premium anti-reflective lenses, and alcohol-based sprays can damage the coatings over time. This Koala formula is gentle, yet extremely effective, removing fingerprints, smudges, dust, and even the occasional mystery gunk effortlessly. The microfiber cloths are also worth highlighting. Unlike the cheap ones you get with most glasses cases, these are premium quality, thick, soft, and large enough to handle screens and lenses alike. They don't leave behind fibers or lint, which is a huge bonus. Number 3. Screen Mom Screen Cleaner Spray and Microfiber Cloth. Tired of smudges and streaks? Our advanced formula leaves your screens looking brand new with every clean. It works efficiently, requiring no second passes and leaving no residue behind. Protect your delicate screens with our included microfiber cloth. It glides smoothly, ensuring no scratches or abrasions, making it gentle enough for frequent use on all your devices. Our cleaner is completely free from alcohol and ammonia. You can use it confidently on all your electronics, including TVs, laptops, and tablets. Get hundreds of sprays from our large 16-ounce bottle. It's an economical choice for busy households, schools, and workplaces, meaning fewer purchases and more savings. This versatile cleaner works on a wide range of screens, from HD TVs and laptops to sensitive smartphone displays. It safely tackles fingerprints, dust, and smudges without damage. What we like. This cleaner boasts an advanced streak-free formula that leaves screens crystal clear without any residue. If you have a lot of screens in your home or workplace and need a long-lasting, economical solution, this large bottle is perfect. It's suitable for anyone seeking a gentle yet effective cleaner for all types of electronic displays. What people say. Zero streaks, deadass, spray a couple times, wipe with the cloth, and your screen looks brand new. No smudges, no haze, works perfect on my LG OLED in the living room, MacBook, iPhone, even the monitors at work. Safe as hell, no alcohol, no ammonia, plant-based, basically no smell. I got little kids and a dog running around, don't want to spray some toxic crap near them, and it doesn't mess up the oleophobic coating or anti-glare. The microfiber cloth is actually good, soft, no lint, no scratches, and it's big enough for the big TV. Comes right in a box, no extra hassle. Number 2. Microscientific Opti-Cide Max Disinfecting Wipes, 2-pack. Introducing a powerful disinfectant and cleaner designed for your needs. It effectively eliminates 99.9% of viruses and bacteria when used as directed. These wipes offer robust scrubbing capabilities to tackle dirt and grime. They clean and disinfect surfaces quickly and efficiently, while remaining safe for various materials. Ideal for both hospital and home environments, they are safe for use on a wide array of hard, non-porous surfaces. This includes counters, electronics, stainless steel, and sealed granite. Experience a true broad-spectrum disinfectant that is EPA registered. It is effective against a wide range of pathogens, including bacteria, viruses, fungi, and tuberculosis. Achieve rapid disinfection, with tested organisms killed in as little as 30 seconds to 1 minute. This ensures a hygienic environment in minimal time. These hospital-grade wipes meet national requirements for certain professional exams. Always check your specific state guidelines for compliance. What we like. This product is a powerful, hospital-grade disinfectant that kills 99.9% of viruses and bacteria rapidly. If you need to ensure a truly sanitized surface, especially in high-traffic areas or for sensitive applications, this is the choice. It's ideal for homes, offices, or even for professionals who require medical-grade cleaning power. What people say. They clean through grease, hard water spots, dirt, you name it. They keep my stainless steel appliances looking brand new. Another great feature is they are lint-free, unlike Clorox Lysol types. One side is textured for scrubbing away residue, think makeup spills or sticky messes, the other is smooth for a final hygienic wipe down. The scrubbing side really helps on tough spots without damaging surfaces. Number 1. Elite Screens Microfiber Eyeglass Cloths. Tired of smudges and streaks ruining your view? Introducing our premium microfiber cloths, designed for effortless cleaning. These soft cloths gently wipe away fingerprints and dirt without scratching your delicate lenses. Achieve a perfect, streak-free shine every time. Each cloth is conveniently sized at 12x12, making them ideal for carrying in your pocket, purse, or glasses case. Keep them handy wherever you go. This value pack includes 4 black cloths, ensuring you always have a clean one ready. It's an economical choice for maintaining your eyewear. Beyond eyeglasses, these versatile cloths are also great for cleaning camera lenses, phone screens, and other delicate surfaces. Experience clarity on all your essential devices. What we like. These oversized microfiber cloths provide ample cleaning surface for thorough, streak-free results on your eyewear. If you prefer a larger cloth for easier handling and a more efficient clean, these are an excellent pick. They are perfect for anyone who wants to keep their glasses pristine on the go or at home. What people say. Great quality, thick, but flexible, soft, and big so you can fold them a few times between washings. They clean clearly with our smudges and they machine wash up beautifully. Perfect size and thickness. Great quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.